we can start setting up the improper integral like this. And then we can write it in limit form like that. To evaluate the integral, we're going to use this rule for exponential functions that I wrote in blue. To make it fit the pattern, we are going to multiply the inside and the outside of the integral by -1, so we don't change the value of it. Because you see here, u equals -x, so du is going to be -1 dx. So in order to get that on the inside, we're going to have a -1 here and also a -1 on the outside. So when we apply that rule, we end up with -6 times e to the -x from x equals 0 to x equals t. And when we plug those numbers in, we get this. E to the 0 is going to equal 1 because anything raised to the 0 power is always 1. So we are going to use this to take the limit as t approaches infinity. So as t approaches infinity, e to the -t gets closer and closer to 0. So that term is going to disappear. So we're left with -6 times 0 minus 1, which is the same thing as -6 times -1, which equals +6. That is a finite value, so this improper integral will converge.